Okay, we're gonna go on a quick drive. The truck sounds amazing, shifts nice and smooth. All right, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections. And one thing to note, this entire front clip is wrapped in PPF, paint protection film. The only part that excludes though is the fender flares and this little splitter down here. But this body is all fully protected, the hood, the fenders, as well as the side mirrors. Looking at this wheel, absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws with it. That fender looks awesome. I don't see any imperfections there. Got the film here protecting the side mirror. That looks good. I don't see any chips on that A-pillar. That door looks good. Lower rocker's nice and clean. I don't see any flaws so far. All of this looks absolutely perfect. Here on this wheel, looks amazing as well. I don't see any curb rash. Got the vinyl stripes here. All of that looks really good. So this side looks almost perfect. And checking out this front end, looks so good. Starting with the hood, like I said, got PPF on all the blue parts. Then they stopped here. They did the center in this section, and they left the stripes alone, so they have that nice matte look to them. So far, all of this looks good. I don't see any flaws yet. You got a little film kind of peeling back there. Some of that on those hard edges probably needs to be pushed back in a little bit every once in a while. Looks like we have a couple imperfections in the film. Could have been rock chips at some point and snagged the film. It's hard to tell if anything is impacted underneath that paint though. Now we do have some little rock impacts and a little bit of rash on this lower splitter. See a rock impact here. A little snag in the film. Have something on the surface of the film here. Not sure what that is. Everything else though looks really good. And looking in the engine bay, all of this looks awesome. Got all your Whipple information here. Got your serial number right here. Everything else though looks really good. All right, looking at the back left here, all of that looks amazing. Wheel looks perfect. Those doors look good. Mirror looks perfect. I mean, this thing is just super clean. Zero curb rash on the wheels. Then looking at the back, the tonneau cover looks amazing. And the stripes go all the way across the tonneau cover, the roof, and the hood. Looking at the stripe, you do have a couple bubbles right here, and it looks like this part of the pinstriping is missing, that little edge. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks brand new. It smells brand new. Everything's nice and clean. I don't see any imperfections on this door panel. Kick plate looks perfect. Seats look amazing. All of this is just super, super clean. Got all the carbon here on the dash. All of this looks good. The only flaws on this interior that I'm seeing are 3 chips right here on that carbon. Besides that, everything else looks perfect. Here on the front right door panel looks absolutely perfect. Kick plate area is clean. Floor mats look good. Got all this carbon here. This seat looks brand new. I'm not seeing any flaws on this side of the vehicle. Back right door panel looks perfect. Same for back here. I don't see any flaws on these seats. They look all brand new. They are heated.